Hey guys, Pat here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. And today the wind's not blowing and it's kind of a calm day. And yesterday, or a couple days ago, our mailbox post got hit. And so I thought this would be a good opportunity to take out this tree behind me. And so if you guys have been following us for a while, you know that we are taking out some of our taking out all of our non-food producing trees and some of the danger trees around the house. This tree has a possibility of getting that south wind and falling over onto the house at some point. So before it gets any bigger, we'd like to go ahead and just take that out. And so we're going to put a little mini orchard in the front yard. That's what our plan is. And so I got a little bit of rigging here. Just going to go ahead and dump the tree over and show you what I got going on with that. I was going to show you a couple more little block techniques that kind of help assist in some of the safety measures to make sure that the tree doesn't fall back on the house. I know which way the tree is going to fall, but putting a little bit of safety measure and not getting too arrogant about your competencies is a good thing. So I got the tree dripping dew off onto my bald head here as I'm talking. So anyway, I'll get set up here and kind of show you what I got going on. Okay, what I've got going on here is I extended my little ladder up here and climbed the tree just a little bit and tied off a safety line up. I don't know if you can see the rope right up there, and I have it hanging down right here. Now this rope here I'm going to use to put tension on the way I want it to fall. So I'm going to want it to fall back that way where it's open, obviously away from the trailer, and the old mailbox is still, the post is still there, but it needs to be replaced. So what I have going on here is I've got that rope there tied to the tree, and I have this hand line here with a block, and then I got this other block. This block here I'm going to tie to that rope. I'm going to use this rope here, and I'm going to double block this with this block and this block, and I'll show you how to do that, and that will not quite increase your pull. It won't quite double your pull, but it will almost double your strength in pull to help assist in pulling the tree over the way we want it to go. This set I'm going to redo because even though nylon rope is easy to untie, I get myself out of the habit of tying a bowline. Just a regular bowline, and then a bowline and a knot is a pretty good knot to know. As you can see, I've got a bite here, and I got about 2 feet in between each hand here. And when you do a bowline and a bite, that's when you're doing it in the middle of a rope, and so that's a helpful knot when you're wanting to put a block or a chain or clevis or something on there, and for a holt. And so then to do the knot, you just go over top like that and make a loop, and so then you have the bite still going out this way. Well, then you take the bite and you go back through the loop, pull that back through, and then put your hand into the bite loop and then grab this, and this is going to be the new part of your bite. Okay, so with your couple of fingers looped in that spot, you just bend this around, and this is going to hug the back side of your rope. Well, you just simply pull the slack out of it, like that. That's a pretty handy knot to know. So then I just put that in the block here, and we're ready to go. Now I'll go on the other side and get that rigged up. Now you'll notice I have this tied down to the lower part of this post here, and if I was to put this up higher on the post, then it's most likely to pull the post over if I have a lot of weight pulling on the post. So I have my best strength down here at the base of the pole where it's going into the ground, and that's in the ground about 3 feet. Like I say, this is overkill, but I just wanted to have it to where I could pull that, really give that a real simple pull, and still have a lot of strength, but not have to worry about straining myself.
just blown away. I couldn't have landed at a better angle. Missed the trailer, didn't land in the middle of the road, didn't land on the house. Genius.
The real work starts after you cut down a tree. So I gotta get busy.